always nice to take a souvenir back home. How much? 8?
10. 10.
Must be here somewhere. Hey! What the hell are you doing?
Is this your car?
Yes.
Oh.
No. I'm delivering it.
You better get out of the way or you're dead.
Why? What are you going to do? Run me over?
¿Quién te ha dado permiso? ¿Quién te ha dado permiso para disparar a mi mujer?
Why are they shooting at you?
They don't want me to leave.
Who's they?
It's my husband, my ex-husband. Please.
Mauricio, perdona. No quería ofenderte, pero...
No dispares nunca más a mi mujer, ¿comprendes?
nunca más. Look, I'm sorry about your domestic situation, but like I said, I actually have to deliver this car to a Mr. Oh, you got one too. Great, great.
Okay, your turn. Why does it always have to be about you? Huh?
But now you're concerned? What did you say?
Ernesto?
Ernesto Martinez?
Yes? What the hell are you doing?
This is his car. I'm supposed to deliver this car to Ernesto Augustin Martinez.
Oh, are you crazy? He's gonna kill us.
You don't know that? I'm sure once I've explained the
Oh,
circumstances...
I do know that. Yes, I do. I'm his wife. So technically, the car also belongs to me. So drive. Drive! What are you waiting for?
Not sure that's helping. What?
I can't live in that compound with him anymore.
his goons and his guns and his breathing bag. Sorry I dragged you into this. Jesus, I have to get out of here.
What the hell with it? I don't like this job anyway. Mind if we lose this?
Excuse me! British! Coming through! Coming through, thank you! Thank you. British, thank you!
Está raro, ¿no? ¿Te crees por el medio?
No te vas a creer lo que estoy viendo.
Go backwards.
Leave this to me. Mr. Martinez. Sidney Clark.
Ernie, that's far enough.
What's in that case?
It's my divorce settlement.
Excuse me.
We never discussed any divorce or any settlement.
Eight years of my life, Ernie, 8 years. This is my money. You know this is my money.
You want to steal from me now?
I want a life. I want a real life.
Mr. Martinez.
Shut your face, or I'll rip it into pieces, you dirty shoes. So you wanna run away with this Prince Harry? Sorry.
Oh, no. Mrs. Martinez and I literally just met.
Who's this?
Sidney Clark, delivering your new car.
Mauricio, ¿hemos comprado un carro? Huh? And how did you know where to find me?
I work for British Auto Deliveries. At least I did until I met the Martinez family.
Liar! Liar! You are a liar!
This is exactly what I'm talking about. You've been in hiding for so long that you think everybody is out to get you. You're paranoid.
No.
Yes,
No.
It's a lot for me to take. That's all.
Listen, baby, I'm not a paranoid, okay? I'm not a paranoid, okay? I'm trying to stay calm. I'm breathing.
Yeah, how's that working out for you?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. So you are the delivery guy, right? What did I order, delivery guy?
Jaguar F-Type supercharged V8 petrol engine. Automatic quick shift gearbox. 0 to 60, 4.2 seconds. Top speed of 186 miles per hour. All aluminium double wishbone suspension.
That's a good car, right? Hemos comprado un buen carro.
Don't even think about it! I love you too much! But you don't give me no choice!
One other thing. With this package, you get...
Ah! Baby!
What about my money? Who are you?
Like I said, I do deliveries.
So what's he worth?
More than this.